Welcome back to another splendid video. My name remains Charles Winikin. In this video, we are going to discuss on AC, DC, which is alternating current versus direct current. Electricity flows in two ways, either in alternating current or in a direct current. Electricity or current is nothing but the movement of electron through a conductor like a wire. The difference between AC and DC lies in between which the line flows. In DC, the electron flow steady in a single direction or forward, while in AC, electron keeps moving up and down or moving front and backward. Alternating current is the best way to transfer electricity over a large distance. Now let's talk about the comparison chart, which is, I make it easier for you to understand what I mean. This comparison chart of alternating current and DC current we will now talk about the amount of energy that can be carried. In alternating current, safe to transfer longer city distance and provide more power. While in terms of direct current, it travels within short distance. It travels within short distance is not as long as alternating current. In terms of frequency, the frequency of alternating current is in between 50 or 60 Hz depending upon the country. And the direct current is zero. In terms of current also, is the current of magnitude varied with time, while in terms of DC, it is current of constant magnitude. What I mean by magnitude, in physics we have what we call scalar and vector quantity. Vector quantity, it has magnitude as well as direction, while scalar quantity, it has magnitude without a direction. So what I'm trying to explain here is this. They varies with time. It means that in terms of alternating current, they also varies with time. Now, in this particular area, which is called DC, is only constant with what? Magnitude. And in addition, let's now discuss the obtain. An alternating current can be obtained from generator or main, for instance, power supply from electricity or whatsoever. But in terms of DC, is cell or from battery, and the battery could be a car battery, it could be 9 volts battery, depending on the kind of battery. Another one is the power factor. The power factors in terms of alternating current being AC, the power factors lies between 0 and 1, while in terms of direct current is always 1. The types, which is boldly written here, is called sinusoidal, triangular, or square. While in terms of DC current is pure and oscillating. Now let me use this diagram to explain what I mean by that. You see in this particular diagram now, you can see that here is the time is called horizontal as well as what? Vertical. Here is the time, while here is the voltage. You can now see that in terms of alternating current, the current moves up and down. It goes up, it as well comes down. In terms of direct current, you can see that the current moves straight. It moves straight, just the way I explained that. In terms of direct current, it goes straight. It doesn't go up and come down. But in terms of alternating current, it goes up, it comes down. Why I'm using this particular diagram, I want you to understand what I mean by DC and AC. Let's talk about this few area, which is called variable. Variable, anything that is variable is not particularly constant. You can vary anything to your own taste or to the way you want it. So that is what I mean by display. This thing that you're seeing here is a variable current or variable voltage. Now, this is what I had just mentioned before, this postulating. This is how it works in terms of DC. This is how you'll be seeing it if you are using an oscilloscope. This is how you will be then seeing the DC voltage in this phone. Please expect more video from me. Thank you for watching.